कश्मीर सरकार में रोहित कंसल वो इस वक्त प्रेस को संबोधित कर आइए सुनते हैं।
Thank you very much. We will have a brief security overview by the IG.
First of all, Eid greetings to all of you, and we thank the citizens for cooperating with us in maintaining the order today. We are thankful, law enforcement is thankful. The restriction reasonable restriction imposed at certain sensitive places were completely maintained, and we, depending on the local situation, have given some relaxation as the situation has developed. As far as Valley is concerned, as it was mentioned before, Friday prayers at the Eid Namaz were offered at different mosques, and after the prayer, the congregation dispersed peacefully. We just have a couple of minor localized incidents of law and order, which was handled very professionally, and the people are dispersed. The important factor is that in these incidents, there is only a couple of injuries which have reported, and otherwise the entire valley, the situation is normal. A removal of the restriction at a local level has been decided. Depending on the situation, these exercise is being done, and we are closely monitoring the developments. As the situation develops, we take these decisions. There are also media report of firing by some security forces. We again strongly deny, and I reiterate the statement made by my colleague that no such incident has taken place, and we have already given a rebuttal on that. Also, we see some malicious campaign by on the social media platform being done, and that has been strongly refuted, and we also request citizens not to pay attention to any such kind of malicious campaign which is being done, which is being carried out by mischievous people. We have strongly denied this, and we have also taken up the matter with the service provider to take legal action as per the law. Police is effectively maintaining the peace and order in the valley. The decisions of restriction is taken, as I said, it's a dynamic process. We are taking the decision at the local level, and we are managing the situation. The government is committed to maintain peace and order. We are ensuring the order is maintained, and once again we thank the citizens for extending the support today, for which today the entire day has been incident free. Thank you.
Can you just tell us about the legal action by the service providers?
Sir, what is this malicious campaign when people are not able to access internet? How come we are a part of this malicious campaign?
No, there are not from here. There are some Twitter handles, many Twitter handles which are being operated from outside. Those Twitter handles are providing information which are incorrect. If you have followed our Twitter, we have already refuted that. That information is absolutely wrong, and for that we have taken up the matter with the service provider for legal action. Thank you.
Just one question.
For blocking those Twitter handles because they have gone viral, and is there any response that is coming from Twitter?
As I said, at this stage we have already taken up the matter with the service provider. As far as the factual position is concerned, CRPF and J&K police has already provided that, and the content of that Twitter is absolutely wrong.
Sir, you said that situation has improved to a large extent. You gave a description. When are these restrictions going to be completely lifted, and when do people expect some sort of a lifting of this communication blockade?
You see, I have already mentioned in my press briefing, this is a dynamic situation. We are watching the situation extremely carefully. The overall policy of the government, as I mentioned and I repeat, has been to ease as much as possible, relax as much as possible, remove restrictions as much as possible. You saw relaxation of restrictions on Saturday. You saw greater relaxation of restrictions on Sunday. Please permit me to no. I think I've permitted you to ask your question. You must permit me to complete my reply. You saw on Eid, you saw people being facilitated. I have read out to you the number of places where large Eid congregations occurred, and if you carry out a round of the markets today in the evening, you will see traffic moving, people being facilitated to go and greet their relatives. But I must also reiterate that this is a dynamic situation. We will not allow any mischievous elements to disturb the peace at any cost, and for this purpose, if reasonable restrictions are required to be imposed, they will be imposed after local assessment.
What about
Sir,
communication
a week
blockade?
after that announcement of scrapping of Article 370, you saying it's likely being peaceful. Then why are the phones not being restored, sir?
As I mentioned, there are problems in connectivity, but in order to alleviate the problems being caused by lack of connectivity, people are being facilitated through as many as 300 public points to talk to people, offer Eid greetings, and to just give you one number, over 5,000 calls were made from the Srinagar office alone by people wishing to greet their near and dear ones. Somebody else, please? I think, yeah.
What is the number of people?
You see, there is no centralized information, or there is no centralized detention numbers. These are all local assessments based on the local.
Government is not aware of how many people it is detaining itself.
Now, if I may answer, see, as per the law and order situation, the arrests are made, but these are arrests which are absolutely in the ambit of the law, and these are, as I said, these are all produced in the court, and legal actions are being taken.
Not give us a number,
No,
sir.
let me complete. But at this stage, every district has got its own priority, and depending on the local situation, depending on the incidents, they respond and they try to maintain the order.
You also said that there were people who were injured.
Yeah, that doesn't answer the question, sir.
Can you specifically tell us that how were they injured? Like you also said that there was no firing incident, but at the same time you said that there were people who were injured. Can you specifically tell us who are the people who were injured and what's the number and how were they injured? And you said that they were.
No, which incident you are talking? No, as far as the official record you can check from the hospitals, there is no medical legal case which has reported. So that is the statistics we have. There are a couple of people injured today, as I am saying, and they are admitted in the hospital, but they are absolutely stable.
Thank you very much.
तो ये आप तस्वीरें देख रहे थे जम्मू कश्मीर से, जहां पे साफ तौर पर जो जम्मू कश्मीर सरकार और जो प्रशासन है उसकी तरफ से मीडिया के जरिए पूरे देशवासियों को ये बताया गया कि जम्मू कश्मीर में स्थिति सामान्य है। बहुत सारी अहम बातें कही गई, हम आपको बताते हैं। उन्होंने कहा शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से आज ईद मनाई गई है।